An apple a day keeps the doctor away, or at least keeps those cravings at bay. Apples are not only delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients. But let's be honest, a plain apple can be a bit boring. Sometimes you need a little something extra to make it exciting. That's where almond butter comes in. This creamy, nutty spread can transform your apple slices into a delightful treat. Now, I'm not talking about that sugary peanut butter spread. While peanut butter has its own merits, it often comes loaded with added sugars and unhealthy fats. We're going for natural almond butter, the kind that contains just almonds and maybe a pinch of salt, with no added sugar or salt. This ensures you're getting all the benefits without any unnecessary additives. The healthy fats in almond butter, such as monounsaturated fats, are great for your heart and can help keep you full longer, along with the fiber in the apple, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut. Will keep you feeling satisfied and energized. This combination is perfect for a mid-morning snack or an afternoon pick-me-up. This is a snack that's perfect for those with a sweet tooth who are trying to eat healthier. The natural sweetness of the apple pairs beautifully with the rich, nutty flavor of the almond butter. Plus, it's incredibly easy to prepare. Just slice up an apple, spread some almond butter on top, and you're good to go. It's also a convenient option for those on the go. Pack it in your lunchbox or take it to work for a quick and nutritious snack. So next time you're looking for a healthy snack, remember to fiber up with apple slices and almond butter. Your body will thank you for it.